so beautiful. The mother and the babies. We say together, Kiaba, Kiaba, Kiaba. It's a relationship between the trainers and the dolphins together, dancing with love, but this time dancing in the water. Bravo! That's enough. It's a fantastic skill. Revelation. Blow the horn. It's set to do it together. We're going together. One dolphin, one human. The power. It's called the wave. Tsunami. The joy for the big one, the skill with the flexible body and the handsome fellow. He's the good always, the big boy, Superman. Wow! Let's give them a big round of applause. It's lucky draw time. If you have small football, come down with your tickets. No ticket, no prize. Only if you have small football, come down. The first 3 football picked up by the dolphins will receive the prizes. But only the first place will get the picture with the face. Stop, bro. It's all set to go. Only if you have a small football, please come down. The first 3 will receive the prizes. But only the first place will get the ultimate prize picture with our dolphins. Gus, we're going up in the house. Yes. Get ready. When I say 3, you will throw the ball in the water. Everybody check the ball numbers. All best. When I say 3, throw it in the water. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, go! Check it out. We have the winners only to go with the dolphin. It's Sky, Elvis, Jasmine. The first place will get a picture of the dolphin. And the first place, put your hand up. Ball number 30. Congratulations. She's very lucky today. Second place, ball number 33. Who is ball number 33?